Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown with Commodity Consulting in Moultrie, Georgia, with some commentary for Tuesday. It's the 24th day of March. We sort of had pretty much a two-sided trade today. Today's Tuesday, and often these traders talk about turnaround Tuesday. That is to say, we typically go opposite of how we traded on Monday. Well, cotton was up pretty good yesterday, about 123 points. And old crop cotton looks like it's going to settle off just a little bit today, although new crop cotton did close higher. As a matter of fact, we closed right south of 6,500, so that's a mighty enticing looking price. Of course, we are anticipating planting intentions that come out, I believe, next Tuesday, although this Thursday's export numbers, and if we could get a good export number there, that certainly could help the overall cotton tone improve. There are still those that think that July old crop, May and July will still gain up on the December for a little while as certificated stocks are low and cotton carryout is also low. So with the dollar trying to roll over, I guess we could create a little more export business and get it rolling. We'll see. Corn today closed higher as wheat closed lower. I think there was a little bit of spreading going on in there. The wheat market, of course, has been going up on some dry weather conditions out in the wheat belt. Allegedly, they got some rain or are scheduled for some rain, and wheat was off 8 cents today. Corn jumped up because it's excessively wet in some areas in the south. We're trying to plant, I guess, some very early corn. I guess that would be out in the Delta area. So nonetheless, we did see a situation today where corn was higher and wheat was lower. Pretty much beans didn't know which way to go, so they're going to go out somewhat unchanged. New crop Novembers went out around 965. That's pretty much in line with yesterday's close. And of course, there again, we have planting intentions for corn and for beans coming out. And of course, the big question all winter has been that beans were so high priced, you'd see a lot more bean acres and a lot less corn acres, or a reduction in corn acres, and therefore you could see a rally in corn. I guess that's still the conventional wisdom, but that, I guess, remains to be seen. Feeder cattle today were down. As the market is taking a little rest after its upside move, so we'll continue to watch that. Interestingly, the energy markets were down today. We say interestingly because yesterday the dollar was down and yet they were down, or acted very weak, and now today they are definitely down a couple of 100 points in the heating oil, so something to be mindful of, and we'll watch for that. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call, 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.